Okay, you guys, today we got a Nissan Altima here. This is a crazy issue with Nissans. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work something out with this little guy. Like we seen, let's see if the magic works. So, what I did was just to be precautious, we are gonna disconnect this battery terminal prior to cleaning it, and I put on a power booster. I grounded to the chassis, and the positive is here. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna okay. So this thing is really what you call it it is acid, so it is gonna irritate. So make sure you wear glasses and put on a mask, a whole bunch of tissues. So we're gonna try to protect this as much as possible and try to capture our liquid here as much as possible. So we're just gonna take a little bit, and as seen, it works like a magic. There you go. Looks pretty good to me. And I can actually see the terminal now compared to what we saw earlier. So I'm going to put a little bit more, then we'll take it apart. Try to capture all this crazy stuff. You don't want to blow air on this. You don't want this thing to be in the air. It's like acid, but this thing works like a charm. So after we're done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to take this baby apart. And on these Nissans, you can spray it everywhere, okay? Just be careful with the fuse box, the computer, the harness, and you can even get it on the positive side. But to be safe, like I said, you do want to use a power supply because you don't want to lose the power on this, okay? So far it's looking good. We're gonna go get so 10 millimeter here. We don't want this thing to touch the positive. There you go. And we're gonna see if we can break this baby loose. Let's take our flathead screwdriver. That's what I use. So if you want to put more, you can put more, or you can just wipe it down. So we're not losing any power, okay? We're not losing any power. That's a good thing. If we lose power, we're gonna lose idle speed. Okay, I do like to use wire brush. And we have our terminal cleaner here. You can pick this up from Pep Boys AutoZone. That's all this baby is. And once it's nice, it's looking really good. Remember, the battery's got to have a good contact. If the battery does not have a good contact, you're probably gonna have alternator light. You're probably gonna have other issues. So you're gonna have false battery reading. Your car can even stall. So those are the things you want to avoid. Having a good contact is what you want. So there you go. The inside looks pretty good. A little bit more. There you go. It's solid, nice and clean. once we're all done, what I like to do is, let's put this terminal back in. We're gonna lock this baby up. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom, nice and tight. And then I like to use the spray right here. This prevents all kinds of crazy stuff. So we got before, and that's what it looks like after. Easy to do. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one.